Vista Social review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Vista Social. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to sign up. Now you can sign up using the link in the description below. You'll find the links. Along with the links, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can use when signing up and get a pretty decent discount, because Vista Social is not free. You can use it for free, but it's only a free trial. Other than that, if you really want to use it, you're going to have to go ahead and purchase it. And we'll get into the pricing later, but we can see that Vista Social is a social media tool. It supports pretty much every single social media tool out there. That's what we want. They have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, even Blue Sky, I don't know. And they pretty much have everything. So here you can see they've got LinkedIn as well as the Blue Sky one. Even Threads is available over here. Not a lot of social media managers have Thread, Pinterest, Reddit. They got all of them. So you can go ahead and manage all of your social media platforms over here. You can manage your text, you can manage your comments, your posts, you can schedule your posts as well. And it's pretty cool. And it is a little bit pricey, but you can see right here that if we switch to monthly, you can see right here, it's mainly used for, professionals and people who have a lot of social media profiles. So if you're running a business, have a lot of social media profiles, you're going to need to go ahead and purchase one of these plans. Now here you have the capability of managing 15 social media profiles in this one, then we have 30 in this one, and then 70 in the scale, and then unlimited in the enterprise, right? And you can have 3 users in the professional one. Users are going to be able to add up to 3 users to your account that can easily assign permissions to all the users. You can create roles. They're going to be able to manage all of your social media platforms, and then you can add 6 more users in advanced and 10 in scale. So you can see a bunch of different options. And again, the links will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And then you can just simply select one of those plans and sign up. I already have an account. I'm already logged in. I'm going to continue. And this is how it looks like. I've already verified my account. Then I can just simply connect one of my profiles by clicking on the add profile button and just selecting one of these options right here. I can just simply go ahead and click on connect, and my profile will be connected. It's pretty simple. Then I can create some posts, new notes, ideas, everything. We have calendar to see all of our posts, schedule posts, media over here, inbox, everything. So it's pretty cool. Highly recommend you use it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.